Following Pieters' rejected request by Justice Navindra Singh to recuse himself from hearing the Natural Resource Fund case, the attorney told reporters on Wednesday that Singh's hoggish behavior towards him by disallowing his entry onto the Zoom platform to hear the case was a clear sign of bias and bad temperament.
Yesterday, the conduct of the judge in terms of how he interacted with one of the counsels in the case, it didn't display the proper judicial temperament that was expected of a judicial official.
Pieters, representing Opposition Chief Whip Christopher Jones and trade unionist Norris Witter, expressed no confidence in Singh and does not want him to preside over the case, the attorney told reporters. Christopher Jones, who was cross-examined by Attorney General Antonio Dey during Wednesday's trial, admitted that the behavior of parliamentarians from the Partnership for National Unity and Alliance for Change, APNU+AFC, during the December 2021 debate on the Natural Resource Fund NRF bill was defiant of orders by Speaker of the National Assembly, Nadir. Jones and Witter had moved to the court in April 2022, claiming that the bill was not properly passed in the National Assembly last December due to the absence of the Speaker's ceremonial mace. Attorney at law Roysdale Forde's senior counsel, also a legal representative for clients Jones and Witter, had this to say.
It is our position that from time immemorial, speaking lists would have been used and submitted by both government and opposition. And the Speaker called on members of Parliament by name in accordance with that. So we relied on the speaking list to establish that the Speaker was aware at all material times who were the persons to speak, and it's our position that Mr. Kemraj Ramjatan was in his seat at the material time at the conclusion of the debate by Ashley Singh.
Forde also told reporters that as part of the Parliamentary Standing Order, Christopher Jones, Opposition Chief Whip, and Gail Tashir, Parliamentary Affairs and Governance Minister, signed the list of persons scheduled to speak on the NRF bill, which included APNU+AFC MPs. This agreement was not followed by Nadir, Forde noted.
The Speaker was seeking to override parliamentary conventions, parliamentary principles and procedures. And at that material time, nothing showed it greater than the fact that the Speaker simply decided that he was going not to call a member of Parliament who was not participating in any activity.
Meanwhile, Attorney General and Legal Affairs Minister Antonio Dey had this to say.
But if you want to question the impartiality of the tribunal, then you have to do so on sound basis and on reasons recognized by the law.
Nadir told reporters that in relation to Pieters' concept of Justice Singh being biased should in no way be reflected in a court of law, as one's feelings must be stoic during court proceedings. Antonio Dey reporting for the AGP Nightly News.